Good boy. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come. Come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. Alright, come on. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, it's my good boy. Come, 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 come. Oh! Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh! Good boy. Good boy. Oh, so that's a problem that we get asked about a lot. Is a lot of people with bully breeds playing tug, and the dog doesn't want to let go. First thing is the toy has to originate from us. Same premise. We are the resource. So the toy comes from us, the toy is ours, and we teach the dog to understand that through fair exchange. Keeping it close to our body keeps it inactive, and it keeps us ours. This is our boundary. We got good eye contact right now. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Good. Alright, so we get them all wound up. Oh! Good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh! See how he still continues to ignore the rope? Good boy. Good boy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh! Oh! Good boy. That's a good boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get. Back. 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 Up. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. You know, so a lot of people also think, because right now we've had to change this whole training because it's pouring down rain. So a lot of people think, you know, I own this bully breed. I have no time to work them. It's raining. I have a small yard. We're working in a 10 by 10 area right now. Got boy. And the biggest thing these dogs need is more mental work. You know, a good mental workout will knock them. You better get down. You see how that? Good boy. So a good mental workout is just as good as a 15-mile running. Sometimes you can run these dogs all day and they still look at you like, what are we doing next? So we like to do a lot more, we do a mix of mental and physical. That's my boy. Get one. Okay. Up. Go boy. Up. Stay. Down. Down. Go boy. Up. All right. Up. Jump. Good. Up. Up. Good. That's it. That's it. Yeah.